Do you like playing with the magnets, Casey? You love that magnet. Hi! Hi! Do you love that magnet? Uh-oh. No, don't eat it. Good job. Hi. Don't eat it. You know you're not supposed to eat it. It goes on the fridge. Ah! Are you hungry? Ooh, maybe we could see those teeth though. Ah! You want to show me your teeth? There they are! We got it! We got your teeth! You got 2 teeth, huh? 2 little bitty teeth. Right there. Oh! So pretty. You're such a pretty girl. Yay, Casey! Ah. Say bye. Can you wave bye? Can you wave? Say bye-bye. Say bye. Back to your magnet.